Hello, my name Dr. Udit Singh Gautam, Assistant Professor, Department of Library and Information Science, RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी रांची। तो आज हम आईसीटी के बारे में डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। आज का टॉपिक है इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इन लाइब्रेरी। तो सबसे पहले हम जानते हैं आईसीटी होता क्या है, क्या क्या वर्क करता है, इसका बेनिफिट क्या है, ये सब के बारे में आज हम चर्चा करेंगे। कौन कौन से कंपोनेंट होते हैं, क्या मेरिट है, क्या डिमेरिट है। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले जानते हैं हम आईसीटी क्या है। तो आईसीटी का पूरा नाम है इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। ठीक है, आईसीटी इज ए कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कंसेप्ट एंड पैरेलल कंसेप्ट विथ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी that donate not only a single unit of technology but an assemble of technologies like telecommunication equipments, data processing equipments, semiconductors, consumers, electronics, etc. ठीक है, the concept has brought a phenomenal changes in the information collection, preservation and dissemination sense of the word. For the profession of librarianship, this turn of the event is blessing in disguise. The emergence of IT is one of the wonderful gift of the modern science and technologies, which has brought tremendous changes in library and information science. Application of IT to library and information work has revolutionized the traditional concept of library from a storehouse of books to an intellectual information center, connoting the concept of electronic libraries. It has opened up a new chapter in library communication and facilitate global access to the information crossing the geographical limitations. Or using ICT in libraries are also playing a very important role in facilitating access to global information and knowledge resources. तो इसके बाद हम जानते हैं आईसीटी कंसेप्ट और मीनिंग क्या है। आईसीटी इनकॉर्पोरेट ए रेंज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी यूज टू सपोर्ट communication and information. ICT include both network and application. Network include fixed wireless and satellite telecommunication, broadcasting network. Well-known application are internet database management systems and multimedia tool. By implications, a holistic understanding of ICT necessarily include consideration of telecommunication policy, information policies, and human resource development policies. Information communication technology is a diverse set of technologies, tools, and resources used to communicate and create, disseminate, store, and manage information. The ICT sector is heterogeneous collections of industries and services activities, including information technology, equipments and services, telecommunication equipments and services, media and broadcast, internet service provision, library, commercial information providers, network-based information services, and related professional specialized service. So ICT are those technologies that enable the handling of information and facilitate different form of communication. These include capturing technologies, storage technology, like as a CD-ROM, pen drive, DVD, hard disks, and processing technologies like as application software, communication software, and display technology, computer monitor. So we can define ICT as the use of application of computer telecommunication and micro electronics in the acquisition, storage, retrieval, transfer, and dissemination of information. Component of ICT in library. ICT come about a result of digital convergence of the computer technologies, telecommunication technologies, and other media connection and multimedia communication technologies. IT which frequently used in library and information centers. Computer technologies, communication technology, reprographical, micrographic, and printing technologies. We can sum up the component of ICTs on the basis of concept. Now a brief account of these information and communication technology is discussed. First one, computer technologies. Dramatic developments in the information transmission process in every field of human endeavors has been made by the widespread use of computer technologies that can further be divided into following categories like as a workstation. These are expensive and powerful computers used mainly by engineers and scientists for sophisticated purpose. These includes following. First one is my mainframe computer. What is the mainframe computer? The mainframe computers are fast, large capacity computers after the supercomputer occupy a specially wired and air conditioned room is capable for great processing speeds and data storage. Next one is supercomputers. Supercomputers are high capacity computers that are the fastest calculating device ever invented. It may have a vector processing designs or massive parallel processing design. Next one is a mini computer. Mini computer are refrigerator size machines that are essential scaled down mainframe. Mini computers are becoming more important as server in network. पर्सनल कंप्यूटर जिसे हम पीसी के नाम से भी जानते हैं. These are desktop, floor standing or portable computer that can run easy to use programs such as a word processing or spreadsheet. Microchip technologies. A microchip technology is a tiny piece of silicon that contains thousands of micro miniatures electronic circuits components, mainly transistors. The microprocessor of microcomputer which process data is made from microchip. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, जिसको हम एआई के नाम से जानते हैं. एआई इज़ ए ग्रुप ऑफ related technologies that attempt to develop machines to emulate human-like qualities such as learning, reasoning, communication, and communicating, seeing, and hearing. Software technology. Software consists of the step-by-step instructions that tell the computer what to do. Many software packages for various applications in the field of library and information science, services, and management are commercially available. Some of the important library packages are like as a CDS, IS, जिसका फुल फॉर्म है कंप्यूटराइज डॉक्यूमेंटेशन सिस्टम्स इंटीग्रेशन सेट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम. This public domain package of library software developed by UNESCO is menu-driven, generalized information storage and retrieval system designed especially for computerized management of structured database. The window version of CDS IS is called Vinisys. In Magic, the major functions include